it's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is a battle of the boxes. I just received my Boxycharm and my Ipsy Glam Plus box in the mail, so if you want to see which one is better, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video because I just got my Boxycharm box in the mail. And I got my Ipsy Glam Plus box in the mail too, the same day. So you know I had to do a battle of the boxes to see which one is better. So let's go on and start with our Ipsy box. If you do not know what Ipsy Glam Plus box is, Ipsy Glam Plus box is a subscription where you get 5 full-size beauty products for $25 a month, and they value over $120. And the same goes for Boxycharm. You get 5 full-size beauty products that value over 120 bucks for $25 a month. So I want to see which one was the better buy for this month. So let's get started. I got my scissors. So when you open the box, it says discover yourself, and it has a little yellow foam. So let's see what is inside. So this month's theme is take a break. Take a break, like a vacation, because it is summertime, and plus we've been going through all these things, right? You know, with everything going on right now, it would be nice to take a break and just go on vacation or a staycation, you know? So yes, there is no product details in here, so that's something that's disappointing to me. So I will have to research and see how much everything costs, and I'll have all that linked down below because, honey, I like to film this as we go, okay? So, first item we got is by Billion Dollar Brows. It's the 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brows. So this is cute. So it looks like it is a brow powder and brush, and I do not use powder, so I will be putting this in a giveaway. But this is something nice to have, and it does look like a nice color. It's a taupe, a color that I would use, but yeah, it's a powder and a brow brush, which I don't use powders, I use pencils. So I will be putting this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. Next up, this is by Makiage, if I'm saying that correctly. I don't know. Correct me down in the comments area if I'm not. And this is, it says the Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color. Ooh, and I do like the packaging. And this is an alter ego. So let's see how we open this packaging. I see some tape on the side. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. And there we go. Oh, that's cute, because I was wondering how you would open this. That is very cute and a very unique design. I like that. But this is the packaging, very nice and sleek, and it's heavy. So that's nice. So let's open it up, if I can get her open. Am I having a hard day today or what? Okay, there we go. Sorry, doing it the wrong way. This is the shade right here. Super pretty. I do apologize for my ring light. Let's do a little swatch, because this, ooh, she's real buttery. Ooh, because this is a shade that I will wear. Ooh, look at that. Nice and pretty. Ooh, I'm excited about that. All right, so next up, this is by Tarte. It is the Tarte Sufer Curl Volumizing Mascara. So this is nice, and it's in black. So here is the packaging right here, if you can see. No, my ring light. It's really light. It's a light blue packaging. Let's open it up. Ooh. And this is the packaging right here. I am not going to open this up because I will not use this. I have plenty of mascaras, and so I'm not going to be using this, so I will put this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. Okay, but this is nice to get in your box. So the next thing I have, this is by Tula Skincare. It's the Probiotic Skincare Protect and Go Daily Sunscreen Gel, SPF 30, UV A plus UVB protection. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this because you can never have enough sunscreen, especially I've been doing a lot of chemical peels lately. So yes, I am very pleased with this and I will be trying that out, okay? Sunscreen. So right now we're 2 for 2. 2 for y'all and 2 for me. So last but not least, this is the Nature's Cartel Shimmer Lip Gloss. So this is the packaging. It's pretty. Y'all know I love purple. And this is in VCR Static. Ooh, that sounds like 1990s. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. And it has like little pearl bubbles in it. I don't know if y'all can see that or if it's picking up, but there's little like pearly bubble things in there. It is pretty. Yes, it's just pretty much like a clear shimmer gloss. I'm going to let my daughter play with this. But yeah, this is very, very pretty and cute. So, not bad. And this month's bag, because you always get a bag in your box, is Wanderlust. And I love the bag. I love the colors. Purple is my color. I love the feel of the bag. It's kind of like rubbery feeling. And I love the little logo. I just love this bag. It's very, very cute. So, yes. So, I basically love I loved all the items in this box. I will have the prices down below because I have to research them after I film this video and see how much they will worth. But I am excited about the Tula sunscreen and the Makeup Geek Alter Ego eyeshadow, and the mascara and the brow is really nice to have in your box. It's just that I don't need any more mascaras. I got a lot and I don't use powder for my brow. So I'm going to give that to y'all, and my daughter's going to be happy that she got her little lip gloss, okay? Because I do have a lot of lip gloss as well. But I am pleased with the box. Let's see if Boxy knocked it out more than they did. I'm not going to say I'm disappointed with the box. It's just I feel like there could have been more better products in here. But it wasn't a bad box, and I did get some items that I will use. And I got some items for y'all too. So let's go on and get into the Boxycharm. So Boxycharm is just like the Ipsy. It is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products, and their posted value over $120. Okay, and it's $25 a month. So let's go on and get this open and see. And this one feels really, really heavy. So let's see what's in here. So when you open the box, it says hello charmer. It has their social media handles on there for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. And when you open it, there goes our products. And what I do like about Boxycharm is they do have a stock card that tells you the prices, okay? So this month's theme for Boxycharm is sunshine. And I like the card, very cute. Water reminds me of like the beach and lemonade and, you know, drinking. And having fun. But yeah, so I'm excited about that. And I got variation number 40. So let's see what's in here. And the first thing that I do see is from Touch and Soul, and it's the Classy Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Ooh, that sounds very interesting, and I love the packaging, very pretty. So let's open this up and see what this is all about. Ooh, I love the packaging. Very, very cute. It opens like this. Different. Very, very different, but very cute. I love that. So let me read the stock card. I normally don't, but I want to see what this is all about. Touch of Soul says an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And this is $32. And I am excited to try this out because, I mean, come on, a nice little skin glow, and I won't have to put no foundation or nothing on. I mean, maybe we can wear this without makeup and maybe wear it with makeup. I'm going to test it out, but I would love to wear this without makeup because I've been on like a no makeup kick right now. So, yeah. So the second product that I see in the bag, this is the Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner by Lavish. Ooh, I've been wanting one of these too. So this is nice. So basically, you can clean your makeup brushes in between, like, using them. Like, you don't have to, like, wet them and everything. So yeah, you just, you know, if you want to use, because I like to use the same blending brush, and I use multiple colors, and so it'd be nice, instead of getting like a washcloth or a makeup wipe and wiping it off, you can use this and wipe it off and then go into the next color that you're going to use with the brush. Because usually when I do my eyes, I only use 2 to maybe 3 different brushes, and one of them I like to use multiple colors with. So this is nice to have. It says that this is retailing for $20. So just, that's nice to have, and I wanted to have one anyway, so don't have to go out and buy one now. So next up, we have the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewey Coconut Setting Mist. Ooh, so this is a setting mist. It says fresh coconut. It says it has fresh coconut extract, softening niacinamide, if I'm saying that correctly, and dewy finish, and delicate coconut scented. So, you can never have too many primers and too many setting sprays. So I definitely want to try this out. So let's see what the bottle looks like. We'll open this one up. Oh, the bottle is so pretty. Look at that. Very nice. Ooh, in the pump. Let's spray her and see. Ooh, that feels nice. That smells really good. I like it. So I'm going to definitely try this out on my face and see if it sets and holds my makeup all day. Alright, so, and the setting spray, let me tell you how much this costs, since I'm already looking at the card. Normally I don't do that. If you're not new to my channel, you know that normally I don't read the card, but today I am. So the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray retails for $22. So that's not bad. The next item we got is the Clean Skin Club, the Vitamin C Brightener Booster. Watermelon, green tea, pineapple. That's all it says on the front. So here's the front. The bottle. So it says the super potent Vitamin C Brightening Booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of skin while naturally gives a younger, rejuvenated look. The concentrated formula contains watermelon and green tea extracts, which helps reduce sun damage, even out skin tone, and improve the appearance of aged and stressed skin. So, this sounds like something that I would try. I'm just not into trying a lot of moisturizers right now. But yeah, this is definitely something that I would try, especially since it's a vitamin C booster. I love brightening up my skin, and we're going to see how it does. Let's give it a smell. It doesn't smell like watermelon. It's like a little cloudy in there, as you can see, and I'm just going to drop it. And it is liquidy, but it's still kind of jelly and thick, but it is a little liquidy. Yeah, it is. It's definitely like a jelly. Let's see if it's going to seep into the skin, or am I going to have to, like, is it just going to sit on top? Nope, I feel it seeping into the skin, so that is a good sign. Because I noticed some serums, they'll kind of sit on top of the face, so you really want to test it out to see, like, is it really going to seep in or is it not? Because you want stuff that's going to seep through your pores and, like, cleanse them and get into that skin and brighten and do things that it's claiming that it's going to do. So yeah, that did seep into my skin, so I am intrigued to try this out. And the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster retails for $49.95. Not bad, and I only paid $25 for this box, okay? And last but not least, ooh, we got a palette. This is by Pure, and it is the Festival palette. It's a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. So, ooh, I'm excited to check it out, and look at the box. Let me get it really close up so y'all can see, but that is just so cool. It reminds me of like being at a festival or a fair or a carnival, and you go into one of those rooms that have those like weird funny mirrors, and you're like changing shapes, and then there's mirrors everywhere and you can't figure out which way is which because you see yourself in like 10 different mirrors. So this kind of reminds me of that, seeing this in my little viewfinder. Super cool. So let's open it up, and I'm excited to get a palette. I know I don't really need any more palettes, but I really like makeup. And I've been wanting a palette. I just ain't been wanting to spend the money on one. I did buy the Julia's Place palette though a few weeks ago. Ooh. This is a pretty palette. I would definitely use these colors. So it comes with a nice size mirror. And I'm going to move the mirror up so you guys don't get blinded. But these are the colors. And look how gorgeous they are. I'm trying to like, my camera is, I don't know if it's giving it justice. But they are gorgeous. Because I see a reflection in my viewfinder. So, but gorgeous. Love it. But yeah, that is all the items that I received in my Boxycharm. And I say that Boxycharm did knock it out the box this month versus Ipsy. So I'm very pleased with my Boxycharm box because as you see, I'm keeping all the items. But yes, I'm very pleased. Please let me know what was your favorite box for this month. Was it Boxy or Ipsy? And let me know what was your favorite product out of both of these boxes for this month. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.